The Prophet ﷺ said in the hadith you have referred to, which was narrated by Abdullah ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, the Prophet said in a long hadith at the end, وَمَنْ تَشَبَّهَ بِقَوْمٍ فَهُوَ مِنْهُمْ, that whoever imitates a people, then he is part of them, he's one of them. Now, to understand this hadith, you have to look into what is considered to be part of the other people's culture, that nobody shares it with them, or part of their religion, or part of their social way of living, and by what is shared commonly by people. So if someone says, Sheikh, you're wearing a watch, I said, okay, what's the problem?
Which is a quite nice one as well.
So, what is the problem with that? He said, no, this is from the kuffar. I said, yeah, but Muslims and non-Muslims wear it. You're wearing a suit and a tie, and this is the dress code of the kafir. But it's also shared by hundreds of millions of Muslims. So it's not only specifically for the disbelievers. Now this is something shared by everyone. So the Prophet ﷺ, when he wore that jubbatun rumiyya that was made in Byzantium, this was not an indication or a sign. Whomever saw him said, ha, he is from Byzantium, he is from the Romans. No, this was worn by everyone.